In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stop loss in Tradingview so you can manage your risk and protect your trades automatically. This is an essential tool every trader should know. Let's get started. First, head over to tradingview.com and sign into your account. Logging in will give you access to all your saved charts and broker connections. Next, click on the Products menu at the top of the home page. This will display a list of powerful features Tradingview has to offer. Then select Super Charts to launch the advanced charting interface. This is where you'll be placing trades and setting stop losses. Once the chart is open, right-click anywhere on the screen and choose Buy from the context menu. This opens the trade order panel with editable options. Now look for the section labeled SL, which stands for Stop Loss. Click on it to activate the stop loss field, then move the slider or type in the price where you want your trade to automatically close. Finally, adjust the stop loss level to the number that fits your risk tolerance. You can repeat the process for other trades by right-clicking again and setting stop loss levels accordingly. And that's how you add a stop loss in TradingView. It's a simple but powerful way to manage your risk like a pro. If this video helped, make sure to like it and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy-to-follow tutorials. See you next time!